Hey there, folks. If you've ever accidentally sent money through Cash App and needed to get it back, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to refund a Cash App payment. It's quick, simple, and can save you from some serious headaches. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and download it from your App Store, it's free. Let's get started with the steps. Open up the Cash App on your device. You'll see your home screen with your balance at the top. Next, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your transactions are listed. Scroll through until you find the payment you want to refund. Once you spot it, tap on that transaction to open the details. Now, in the transaction details, look for the option that says Refund or Need Help. If it's available, hit that Refund button. Cash App will ask you to confirm. Double-check everything because this is your chance to make sure you're refunding the right payment. After confirmation, the request will be sent to the recipient. Keep in mind, though, that the other person has to approve the refund for it to go through. If it's a business or merchant, they might have their own policies, so it could take a bit longer. One important thing to note: not all payments can be refunded. For example, if the money has already been spent or if it's been more than a certain time since the transaction, you might be out of luck. In those cases, you can try contacting Cash App support directly through the app by going to your profile and selecting Support. They're usually pretty responsive. To wrap this up, always double-check before sending payments to avoid the need for refunds in the first place. If you follow these steps, you'll handle any mistakes like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.